But yeah, I could just see this man just sitting in his room eating some checkers. Excuse me. But before I do that,
Randomized?
I have no idea. Yo, let's go ahead. Angel. Excuse me, and welcome to the channel.
I'm still nicknamed after a dragon here.
I'm here. Excuse me. Let me see. All right.
Let me kill this thing real quick.
You gotta get that. Matter.
Tell me more.
Awful. Tell me more.
Excuse me, dear Lord.
Loud, rocking out with strength, bite, astonish, and howl. The sniper ability level 36. That was beautiful. I'll give it a 6.8 out of 10, Dylan.
I think that was a little bit better than 6.8 if I do. I mean, it was my own burp. Maybe I'm a little bit biased, but I think that was solid. Let me grab this master ball. Excuse me. I'm sure some of you probably think that's literally disgusting, but I could not hold that one in.
That's really true.
No! I'm so sorry. I've been holding that in. I'm sorry. I apologize to anybody that thinks that's disgusting.
That's gonna help you a lot. I'm gonna have the switch train. So, Nathan, just curious, is there... Dude, you guys are actually legends, though. Hi.
Excuse me. Your head. Excuse me. I'm so sorry. I've been holding that in the entire episode, and I had to let it out. I had coffee and toaster strudels right before I started recording, so I've been like really just holding in burps this entire recording session, and I think I did pretty good for going 20 plus minutes without letting that burp out. I think I did pretty good. Oh my lord! Olive Garden, what did you do to me? Excuse me. I couldn't hold that one in. But excuse me. I couldn't hold it in anymore. Excuse me. I'm about to burp. Oh, excuse me. Burn. I'm sorry. I tried to hold it in. I couldn't hold that one in. And that's what I feel about when I think of Avatar: The Last Airbender movie.